Hey guys, welcome back to a new box break. Today, a little something different. We've got more modern cards here. 2016-17. This is the first year of Optic. So one autograph per box on average. I don't know if these have the velocities like the most recent Optic does, but I know there's a lot of hard to find serial number cards in here. So let's go ahead and bust this open. Okay. And we should have 20 packs in each box here. Try to maneuver this around a little bit. Sorry, I was just checking the seals on everything, the packs in the box, to make sure it looked all legit. First one out of the gate, Buddy Hield, nice pull. And a Giannis silver. Wow, really good first pack. Looks pretty nicely centered there. Giannis hollow. It's not numbered. Larry Nance Jr., Avery Bradley, excuse me. So fantastic first box. I don't know what that Giannis goes for, but first year Optic probably goes for a decent chunk. And then Buddy Hield. I don't know, Buddy Hield's probably a $5 to $10 rookie card. Now we have James Harden. DeAndre Bembry, rookie card. Elite Series, Chris Paul, and Will Barton. Let me separate these rookies. All right, pack 3. I don't know how many numbered cards you get. I've opened a lot of 2017-18 and 18-19. It seems like you got a handful of numbered cards in those boxes. Patrick Beverly. Ooh, nice. Siakam rookie card. A little off center from right to left, but not too bad. Good pull there. We'll stick the guy up there. Allen Iverson. And Deron Williams. Really good first, what was that? Pack number 3, right? Okay, should be pack 4. Ding. A.J. Hammonds. He's been playing okay this year. LaMarcus Aldridge, Paul George. So still no numbered cards. One hollow so far. Alright, so we have Sabonis rookie card. A little off center, which it's pretty common. I mean, it's Panini. A Grant Hill All-Star, Zach Randolph, and a Jokic base. Still no numbered cards yet. Kelly Oubre Jr. Another hollow, but it's not the guy we were looking for. Jeremy Lamb. Jefferson and Bogut. Still no numbered cards. Gortat. know if this is the autograph. Must be the auto. It's the, I think it's an auto. It may not be. It's a rookies. Buddy Hield. No, not an auto. Just the rookie set. Buddy Hield, not a bad card. All right, Zach LaVine, Dwayne Wade, Frank Kaminsky, and T.J. McConnell. McClellan, rookie card. We have another holo. It's of Wilson Chandler, Jabari Parker, D'Angelo Russell. Was Russell a rookie that year? No. Must have been maybe the year before. All right, KCP, Thon Maker. There's a lot of hype behind him his rookie year. Let's see if we can get a numbered card here. Steven Zimmerman, rookie. This must be the auto. Number 24. It's a Knickerbocker. Maybe Porzingis. Who else can we pull from 16-17? Willie Hernangomez. Not the guy we wanted to pull, but there he is. And it's a holo at least. Some kind of like speckling on the surface. I don't know what that is. If you guys can see that. But hey, it's a rookie holo. Yeah, we'll put that over here. Probably not worth very much, a couple bucks. That one was not numbered. All right, Karl Anthony Towns, LeBron James is not numbered. Cool card. Carmelo Anthony. Isaiah Whitehead, I remember he was pretty big at one point. And that is a Kyle Lowry Dimes. Not numbered, just a holo. Jamal Murray, good rookie to get. Marcus, oh, okay. I think our first numbered card is going to be Crashers. Could we get like a LeBron? Whiteside. Oh, it's a crash. It's going to be a big man. So that is numbered at a 99. 6'9" and 99. Pretty cool to pull one of those at a first year Optic. Okay, can we get some fire in the end here? Is that Another numbered card. There's another Giannis. Okay, that's out of 99 as well. 45 of 99, DeMarcus Cousins. Did pull another numbered card. This one he was on the Kings. 2 reds. Another Giannis base. A little bit off center on that Giannis. Okay, John Wall. Another hollow. This is Avery Bradley. Could be on a championship contending team this year. Or he is on a championship contending team. See if they win it or not. So no hollow rookies. I don't know if you averaged 1 per box like the other years in Optic, or Demetrius Jackson, Beal. Oh wow, this is going to be a good one. Look at this, Jaylen Brown. And that's going to be numbered. Not the red, but numbered out of 199. Jaylen Brown, rookie. Pretty good centering. What a pull. That's a good one right there. Best pull of the box so far. Kyrie Irving behind it. Let's see what we got here. Scott. Got another numbered card. Rondé Hollis Jefferson. I think this should be out of, I'm not sure. It's out of 199 as well. Okay, just like the Jalen we pulled. Rondé Hollis Jefferson. So that's our 4th numbered card. That's more like it. I was nervous that we wouldn't get any there for a little bit. Still want to get a hollow rookie. Alright. I got a hollow here. It's another Crashers. Timberwolves KAT. And Chris Dunn rookie. Okay, that's nice. And a hollow KAT Crashers. Stanley Johnson behind that. Last pack to go. Another hollow. Larry Nance Jr. So I don't think we pulled a... That's a non-numbered. So no rookie hollows besides the autograph. No LeBron base. We did pull Larry Nance hollow. There's an insert hollow. Avery Bradley. Giannis base. Dimes hollow. Oh, we did pull LeBron champ is here. Chandler hollow. Lamb hollow. And the Giannis. I think that was the very first pack. Giannis Antetokounmpo and Buddy Hield on the first pack. Some other highlights here. Chris Dunn rookie. Hollis Jefferson out of 199. Demetrius Jackson. DeMarcus Cousins out of 99. Whiteside out of 99. Jamal Murray. There's our rookie auto. Hollow of Hernan Gomez. Maker. Buddy Hield, the rookies. DeMontis Sabonis. DeAndre Bembry. And then the best pull of the box is Jaylen Brown. I don't know if they call that the orange. I'm sure probably the orange parallel. And that one's at a 199. Definitely the best hit of the box and pretty nice on centering. Get my fingerprints all over it, so I have to clean it up maybe. Could be a good candidate for. There's a Pascal Siakam base rookie in the background there too. So with the Jalen and the Giannis, definitely got our money's worth, I would say, out of this box. Didn't hit it a home run or anything, but really cool break. First year Optic. I kind of like this year, the 2016-17, better than the 17-18 appearance to the cards. But I think the set will just go up and up in value because it's the first year Optic. So, and you can still get them fairly cheap. I think they're $200 a box, $180 a box if you're lucky. But definitely a good investment for if you can hold on to them. I've got a whole stack, so I'm going to keep some sealed. But if you can hold them sealed for another 4 to 5 years, you're going to easily double your money. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Have a wonderful night, and we'll see you next time.